What is up, traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Trade recap here on today's trade. We had a losing trade. Today's price action generally was not the best, but we took a sell and it resulted in a loss. So let's go over the reasons why we took this sell. Coming into the day, my bias was originally bullish, actually, which ended up playing out. So coming into the morning session, we saw how this huge 4-hour candle came in, took out sell side, respected this bullish fair value gap, closed in a very nice way to continue higher. So coming into the day, we were bullish. That was the reason to anticipate higher prices. Coming into the session, we had inversed this 1-hour gap right here. This is it, around 9 a.m., 8 a.m. We had inversed this gap, so I was looking to take longs anywhere in this region. Dropping down to the 15-minute, we see also, I forgot to mention, we had buy side as well resting. That was also why I wanted to take buys. You can see here, buy side, and then we had, I believe, even higher buy side to be taken. But yeah, so that was the bias. But we dropped down to the 15-minute. You can see here how price upon market open had a very big drop to with market open. We had a big 15-minute candle drop, so I did anticipate market to take out these London lows and then continue higher, which ended up happening. But when we do drop down to the 1 minute, so dropping down to the 1 minute, again, I do believe that today there was mistakes made. Looking back, a very good setup would have been this right here. When price broke down, London lows were right here. So it would have been logical to expect prices to sweep these and then continue higher. So a nice entry would have been off this 930 for value gap, or after seeing it respect it, kind of consolidate around it. So it would have been like enter here, stop loss right above it, and then TP at these London lows. This would have been a very nice trade, and I think that was the trade of the day. But since I was mainly bullish for the day, I wasn't really wanting to take this kind of trade, and I was only looking for buys, which is a mistake. Price dropped, took out this London low here, and then I got trapped on the lower time frames, and I saw more sell side because I saw this momentum down, and I thought that price is just going to continue lower and take out at least this wick on here, this 15-minute low right here, which price actually did come very close to, didn't sweep it, rejected, and that's why I entered, which, I mean, looking back, my bias was bullish, higher time frame is bullish. We did take London lows, so there was really no need for price to come down and take these lows right here. We can see in the 1 minute, we can see that wick even here, but I was targeting this right here. But yeah, so reason for entry was I saw this 1 minute BPR, candle up, candle down, 1 minute BPR. I saw how we respected it once, came down, didn't sweep any lows. So we have double lows right here. Let me zoom in. So we had these double lows right here, and then we rejected higher. We swept this internal high again and respected this BPR once again. We dropped down heavy, with leaving behind this imbalance, entered off it, stop loss right above it, and then I tried to target these lows. This equal low sell side was taken. That should have been a partial, but I was, to me, that was not really that much of money, so I didn't really take any partials off here, and I wanted to hold until the sell side was taken. But obviously, again, looking back, bias is bullish, higher time frame is bullish. Expecting this kind of drop from the market is just really too much, asking too much. So yeah, that was the trade for the day. Again, a lot to learn. That first initial trade off the 930 value gap would have been nice, and I think that was the only main trade of the day. This up move really is not tradable in my opinion. I mean, price just consolidated and then just didn't really give a reason to enter. Yeah, I mean, and then it pushed late in the session. Yeah, 11:40. This was a very not the best price action. We took some buy side that I was targeting, but there is still some resting buy side that still has not been taken. We can see here this high and this high, which I do expect to be taken tomorrow. So that was trade for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want live trading analysis, daily, weekly, and session analysis, just like this, pre-market, post-market, trade reviews, all that nice stuff, join our Discord. It's in the description if you like. Also follow me on Twitter. Link is also in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, happy trading and stay safe.